Hey everyone, Mia here, back with another episode of Know the World. Today we're talking hidden gems, those incredible places that aren't crawling with tourists but should be. We're talking unique experiences, breathtaking views, and memories that'll last a lifetime. So grab your metaphorical passport because we're globetrotting. First stop, the Waitomo Glowworm caves in New Zealand. Forget boring old caves. Here, millions of glowworms illuminate the ceiling, creating a magical starry sky underground. Kayak tours let you drift beneath this natural light show. It's like floating through a bioluminescent dream. Next, we head to Banff National Park in Canada. Majestic mountains, turquoise glacial lakes, and abundant wildlife. Banff is a paradise for nature lovers. Hike through alpine meadows teeming with wildflowers, spot grizzly bears from a safe distance, or take a scenic gondola ride for breathtaking panoramas. From the rugged peaks of Canada, we journey south to the mesmerizing Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. Spanning over 10,000 square kilometers, this vast salt flat is the largest in the world, creating a mirror-like effect that blends the sky and the ground in a seamless horizon. During the rainy season, the thin layer of water transforms the flats into a reflective surface that perfectly mirrors the sky, offering surreal and otherworldly landscapes. Venture here to witness the breathtaking sunset that sets the sky ablaze with colors, or explore the nearby cactus-studded Isla Incahuasi. Whether it's the geometric salt patterns or the illusion of walking amongst the clouds, Salar de Uyuni offers a truly unique spectacle that captivates photographers and travelers alike. Next, we set sail to the vibrant port city of Valparaíso, Chile. Nestled between the sea and the coastal hills, Valparaíso is a feast for the senses, with its labyrinth of steep streets, colorful alleyways, and charming ascensores. This city, often called the Jewel of the Pacific, is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but also a living gallery adorned with some of the most stunning street art in the world. Stroll through the Cerro Alegre and Cerro Concepcion neighborhoods, where the walls are draped in vibrant murals that tell tales of local culture and history. As you wander, let the salty sea breeze guide you to La Sebastiana, the former house of poet Pablo Neruda, offering panoramic views of the city's multicolored houses cascading down the hillsides. Valparaiso's raw, artistic energy makes it a must-visit for those who seek inspiration in every corner. From the colorful cityscapes of Chile, we journey to the tranquil Isle of Skye, located off the west coast of Scotland. Here, amidst the rugged landscapes, lies a natural wonder that seems sprung from a fairy tale: the fairy pools. These enchanting pools are renowned for their crystal-clear waters and vibrant shades of blue and green, which contrast strikingly with the dark, imposing Quillen Mountains in the background. As you approach the fairy pools, the sound of cascading waterfalls fills the air, each step on the moss-covered path heightening the anticipation. The pools, connected by these gentle waterfalls, invite adventurers and dreamers alike to dip their toes into the icy, pure waters, which are said to be blessed by the fairies themselves. This magical spot is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a sanctuary for the soul, offering peace and a deep connection with nature. The fairy pool's ethereal beauty and tranquil atmosphere make them a perfect counterpoint to the vibrant energy of Valparaiso, providing a moment to reflect and rejuvenate before continuing on our global journey.